Ang tawag dyan ay ang pagbubukang liwayway. Ako po'y nag-uulat mula dito sa Mijares, Aurora. Di Pakulaw, Aurora. You know, the calmness of the sea, no? And then yung, ano niya, yung hampas ng alon, at talaga naman, ano, especially at night, it's so calming. The presence of God is, wow, palpable. Something that really resonate to my soul, and this beautiful coconut palm trees, the mountains, you know, my doing my art, and then now doing some repainting. It's parang it's ano talaga. You know, when you being committed to your purpose, committed to your spiritual practices, what I realize is talagang there's gonna be an evolution of the consciousness. There's a parang renewal of the mindset, no? Kasi nga, yung mga basura, the trash, the junks within our system, is ano being unloaded, being parang may rejuvenation, detoxification, especially now that I'm here enjoying nature. Last night, I attended one of our friends here. Yung niece niya namatay, you know, all of a sudden it's an accident, and he's just 18 years old. And he's been coming here to the house for, you know, for dinner, ganyan, ang bait-bait ng bata. She's so, and I really feel, that life is really so, wow, precious, no? It's really is, but I said nga na, death is just a transition in life. And, but then, you know, it's part of it. Everything, like I'm talking to my son and we're talking about, you know, how are we in our own stages. That's why we always have our own sharing, no? With my son, I can bare my soul. I can tell him, this is what I'm going through, and he'll give me some advice, and Mom, this is what I'm going through. Kasi nga our children are talagang who knows us more or less, di ba? But yeah, it's those things, no, I really appreciate those times when I can talk to my family, to my friends, and you know, the beauty of life, the wonderful, wonderful world. That's a wonderful world. And then gonna have my coffee soon and still do some painting. Okay, enjoy. God loves fun. Enjoy, have fun, live life to the fullest.